You know what? We are heading to the vibey spots here in Dubai. And it's not only the vibey spot. Actually, you can see where the beautiful sunset, beautiful views, powdery sand. You can actually, those things you can see right there. And that's called the Kite Beach. Oh. So these are all the scooters for rent. Ito yung mga scooter na for rent pala. Saka may mga may mga bike din. So kung gusto mong mag chill na nakabike, mas ayaw mong maglakad-lakad kasi mayroong mga bike lane and scooter lane naman dito eh. How are you guys? So these are the bike lane and scooter. Whoa. Seriously? Wow. Today's Saturday, so no wonder it's weekend. That is absolutely crowded for today. Wow. Wow! Ito na yung Kite Beach. Wow! Ito na yung Kite Beach, guys. Totoo nga, mas marami talagang tao dito sa Kite Beach. Ang daming tao dito. Wow. Baybayan natin to mamaya-maya. Lalakarin natin. So, iwan muna natin dito yung scooter.